Hello to all my subscribers. I'm coming to you live and direct, well, not live, but direct from Arizona, Parker, Arizona. My supervisor's in the background, keeping an eye on me. And we're out here at the 2019 Van Fest Van Build. And as you can see, it's getting towards evening here. And it's not bad at all, considering. So I'm here at the Van Build, and there is zero Wi-Fi. There is zero phone service. Everything is zero out here. But that's okay. I go into town every 4 or 5 days, and hopefully I'll be able to get with some of you when I get in town. This is just going to be a really short video, just showing where I'm at, kind of what it looks like. Here's my bus. Been running generator a little bit and running solar a little bit, and as you can see, I've still got my lettering. So again, this is going to be very short, very sweet, just to let you know I haven't let you down. I'm not stopping my videos, it's just that I haven't had a chance to upload any. But what I am going to do is get them ready. I probably got 6 or 7 ready to go. As soon as I find some decent Wi-Fi, I'll start uploading them, and then you'll see what I'm doing, where I'm at, and there'll still be some conversion videos. So don't forget, I've still got a lot to do on my shuttle. So I'll be getting back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to be leaving here probably in a week to 10 days. And who knows from there. I'll let you know.